Let's talk about reports and files. The difference between a credit report and a consumer file. A credit report is something that is requested by a lender or a auto dealer or a bank. Anyone that is reviewing an application for credit typically pulls a credit report. Now, the difference between a credit report and a consumer report is consumer reports are requested by the consumer, the individual, the citizen. Anyone can contact one of the major three credit bureaus and request their consumer report. The credit report is for the review or the purpose of reviewing for credit by a creditor, and the consumer report is for the purpose of review by a consumer that is not applying for credit. Now, a consumer file is somewhat different. A consumer file is a actual data report that is created by a private organization that compiles information that they may scrape from the internet. They may gather information from surveys. They may gather information from marketing reports, and they compile that data and they sell it in the form of a consumer file to creditors or lenders or banks. All right. Now, FICO, which is Fair Isaac Company, which is the credit score that 95% of most banks use, is essentially a consumer file. It is something that has 5 components that FICO has created as a characteristic of the algorithm that they use, which is to determine a score that will give a bank or lending institution a way to mitigate or to determine the amount of risk they may have if they accept what should be approved a loan or decline a loan. That's reports and files.